Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to edit a photo and then post to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and another application called Photo Collage. So if we go to the iPhone, go to Instagram, make sure we are signed into the account, go to your profile, and go to upload to see what photo we will be uploading. This photo, but after we edit the photo, go to cancel. Go to your home page on Instagram and then go to live collage. Open up the application. Go to the first square you see on screen. Click the plus sign. Open up the photo you wish to edit. Yes. And now we can blur the background, add the spaces in, remove the spaces, increase the photo size if we wish to, add some text. Computer science videos. We can also change the font. And now we can decrease the size of the font itself. And now move this to the top after we decrease the size again. And now we can export the photo by clicking export on the top right hand corner of your screen. Save to photos. Go back to your iPhone homepage, go to photos, and now we see the edited photo on screen. Go back to Instagram, go to upload, choose the photo that we just edited, click next, next again. Write a caption, computer science videos, the photo of the day. Press OK, share to Instagram. Go to your profile, swipe down, and now we see the photo that we edited using Photo Collage and then post it to Instagram. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.